And a big hand for the folks on the steam whistle. Well done. That's us. They come up to me and they say, I'll take another bottle of Wizard Oil. I'll take another bottle or two. I'll take another bottle of Wizard Oil. I'll take another bottle or two.
The Colonial Experience Band. He's there, of course, with the shiny big and knob. Like the jackpot of his horse.
Oh, what pleasures do abound when my husband's underground.
It was early Monday morning when the boss came up to me. If you're a North Carlton boy, come along and see. She pointed to the shovel, and she pointed to the street, and she worked me hard from breakfast time till after tea at night. Give me the open fields where the raspberry knickers roll.